Hi, I'm Dan Cortopassi. Today I'm reviewing an HO scale 60-foot Berwick Boxcar from Athearn. My example is decorated in the Santa Fe mineral brown scheme and represents a BX 187 class car. The MSRP for this car is $39.98. I got my car for $29.99 from a popular online retailer. Athearn also offers these cars in other paint schemes like these two in Western Pacific and Rio Grande colors. We'll start the model at 100 possible points. The car comes packaged in a cardboard outer box with a clear plastic window on top. Inside, two pieces of formed plastic protect the car. Lifting the clear upper piece gives access to the model. This is a good box that should protect the car for transport and storage. I found photos of several Santa Fe BX 187 class cars in the same color scheme, and the model appears to be an exact match. My WP and Rio Grande cars also appear to be accurate. The paint on this car is opaque and thin enough not to obscure any detail. The markings are crisp and all of the tiny writing is legible with magnification. Some of the white markings are not quite opaque, but it's not enough to be too noticeable. The vertical rods on the doors are separately applied parts. The grab irons are freestanding and appear to be made of wire for durability. The stirrups look like plastic and they're very delicate, so I'd try to avoid handling that area as much as possible. On the ends, the car has freestanding ladders, photo-etched crossover platforms, and uncoupling levers. There are no air hoses. Many other cars at this price have those, so I'm taking 5 points. The B-end has a nicely done brake wheel. On top, the roof has nice panel detail, and I like the simulated overspray around the edges. Many prototype boxcar roofs are left unpainted. Underneath, the car has freestanding brake components and nice floor detail. The brake rods are plastic, so again, they need careful handling. The car has McHenry knuckle couplers on both ends. The coupler on the A end is low, so I'm taking 5 points. The coupler on the B end is also low. All of the wheels are in gauge according to the NMRA standards gauge. The body wobbles, so I'm taking another 5 points. The car weighs 5.9 ounces. The NMRA recommended weight for a car of this length is 5.25 ounces. I found that heavy cars operate better, so I think this is a good thing. The car is very free rolling. Let's take a look at what we've got. Other cars in this price range have air hoses, so I took 5 points in the paint and detail category. The car has two low couplers and it wobbles, so I took 15 points in the standards and operation category. That leaves us with a total of 80 out of 100 possible points, which would be a B- on a report card. Though it has a few flaws, none are difficult to fix, so I'm giving this model a green signal. Athearn did a nice job with this boxcar. The few operational issues are easily fixed, so if you need some modern boxcars, I wouldn't hesitate to recommend it.